I believe that if you have a diagnosis of osteopenia, which is before osteoporosis, this is the place you want to come to help do preventive maintenance on your body. My journey has been that before I came, I steadily had numbers that were going downhill, just like if you're skiing downhill. Now my numbers have plateaued out, and I feel that I have done a good job of maintaining. So anyone that has osteoporosis in their family should be looking at this program, because I believe it does really help you. I'm Elaine Paulson, and I live in Rapid City, South Dakota. Well, I'm very busy. I have a very large garden, and I have 5 grandchildren in town, so I babysit and I do things with them, play ball, games, bake cookies. I bake a lot, I cook a lot, and I also water ski, I snow ski, I do a lot of activities, I walk. I've been working on doing some sprints, and so I'm also in Senior Olympics every year, where I do swimming, sprints, walking, and some of their other activities. Originally, when I got the diagnosis of osteoporosis, I was really down about it. And my grandmother had it, so I knew about that. One of the doctors told me that it would be wise to check out OsteoStrong. It was Dr. Engelbrandt. And so I did, and I met Herb and Shelley, and I have been coming here for quite a while. It's become part of my lifestyle. The people here are outstanding in their performance. They're efficient, they're professional, but they're also very caring. And so that makes it a joy to come here. So even if it's a gray, kind of a down bummer day, it's a good day here. And this OsteoStrong program has helped me. In 5 years, my goal is to be doing more running. I still want to do a lot of walking. I still want to do cross-country skiing and downhill skiing, and I'm also a water skier, so that is something I enjoy. I want to keep active and keep my body supple and be able to take care of my body and have my bones work for me until I'm 101. I want to say that the people here do an outstanding job, and OsteoStrong is very good and it's amazing. The people are awesome, and I think everybody should consider doing this program.